Good morning, everybody. It's Fred from FIWF Fred. I decided to go through the shop and talk to my techs, find out what they're up to today, and find out what they really love about being an automotive technician. So, take a look, take a listen. Thanks. Hey Ryan, how you doing today, man?
Pretty good.
What are you up to?
Just putting some brakes on this Hyundai.
Nice. You got anything else you're doing to it?
After I finish this up, a timing belt and water pump.
Sounds like a good time, man. Hey Dane, what are you up to today, man?
Finish up an inspection on the car.
Inspections? What does an inspection mean to you?
Inspections are good because it shows the customer what's wrong with their vehicle and tells them what they need to fix and gives them time to save up money if they need to save up money for it.
Nice. Hey Vern, what do you got going on today, man?
Hey, I'm performing a digital alignment after I just replaced the struts and CV axle.
Nice. What's your favorite thing about being an automotive technician?
Favorite thing about being an automotive technician is the constant learning, getting to learn new ways to diag cars. Like with the oscilloscope, got a lot of training on the oscilloscope, which gives me an easier way to find the path to a car without having to tear it apart.
Nice. And you love it, don't you?
Yes.
Awesome. Glad to hear it, man. What's your favorite thing about being an automotive technician?
I really like the opportunities that are for me and the challenges that come with them.
Nice, man. Well, it looks like you're having a good time.
Always.
What's your favorite thing about being an automotive technician, Ryan?
I would have to say the people that I get to come work with every day. The team that works here with me makes every day an absolute blast.
Nice. I love hearing that. Thanks for sharing, brother.